In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile two payments to one invoice in Xero. Managing your finances can sometimes feel overwhelming, but breaking it down into straightforward steps can make the process much easier. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to handle multiple payments against a single invoice efficiently. Let's get started by focusing on the toolbar at the top of your Xero account. You'll want to click on Sales, and this action will immediately pull up a menu. From this menu, go ahead and select Invoice. At this stage, you'll be presented with a list of all your invoices, ranging from those that have already been paid to those that are pending payment. We're particularly interested in focusing on the unpaid invoices for the purpose of this walkthrough. The next step is to identify the specific unpaid invoice you want to reconcile with two separate payments. Click on this invoice to bring up its details. Once the invoice details are visible, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll notice a button labeled Add Payment. Click this button to initiate the payment process. Once you click Add Payment, you will be prompted to enter the payment details. It's important here to include all relevant details, such as the amount being paid, the date of the payment, and any pertinent notes that will aid in keeping your financial records clear and concise. After everything is accurately input, save or confirm this payment entry. It's always a good practice to review the payment details to ensure that everything is correctly entered, helping you avoid potential discrepancies down the line. With the first payment successfully added, you need to repeat the process to record the second payment. Navigate back to the invoice you're working with, and once more, click on Add Payment. As before, fill in all necessary payment details, ensuring consistency and precision with the information provided. By doing so, you not only maintain accuracy, but also uphold a clear and organized financial record. And just like that, you've completed the process. Reconciling two payments to a single invoice on Xero is, in fact, straightforward when tackled step by step. Although it might initially seem like a complex task, following these steps makes it manageable and efficient. Remember, keeping your bookwork well documented is key to seamless financial management. Thank you for watching. I hope this guide has been helpful. Remember to keep practicing this process until it becomes more intuitive. Feel free to revisit this video anytime you need a refresher or have questions about other features. If you enjoyed this tutorial or found it useful, don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful content. Until next time, happy bookkeeping!